Hey everyone! Today we're diving into 10 must-have kitchen organizers from Amazon that will transform your space into a clutter-free, efficient, and stylish kitchen. Most of them are available at special prices, so don't forget to check the links below. Let's jump in. Say goodbye to messy cabinets. This adjustable lid organizer keeps all your container lids neatly stacked, so you never have to dig through a pile again. With dividers that can be customized, it fits lids of all shapes and sizes, making your storage much more efficient. Maximize every inch of space with these hanging organizers. Perfect for cabinets, pantries, and countertops, they slide easily under shelves, creating extra storage for snacks, dishes, or kitchen essentials. Sturdy and stylish, they blend seamlessly into any kitchen setup. Keep your water bottles, wine, and drinks neatly organized with this stackable storage rack. Designed to fit in pantries, cabinets, and even refrigerators, it prevents bottles from rolling around while saving space. A simple yet effective way to keep things tidy and accessible. Tired of cluttered kitchen drawers? This narrow silverware tray is designed for compact organization, ensuring your forks, spoons, and knives are always within reach. Its smart design maximizes space, fitting in almost any drawer while keeping your utensils perfectly sorted. Transform your messy plastic bag drawer into an organized space with this sleek bamboo food storage bag organizer. Compatible with most gallon, quart, sandwich, and snack bags, this sturdy and stylish box keeps everything in place with clearly labeled compartments. Say goodbye to stacked, messy cookware. This expandable pot lid and pan organizer features 10 adjustable compartments, allowing you to neatly store pots, cutting boards, and even cast iron pans. Perfect for maximizing cabinet space and preventing scratches. Keep your pantry and fridge organized with these airtight, leak-proof food storage containers. Made of BPA-free, crystal-clear plastic, they help you store leftovers, meal preps, and dry goods while keeping them fresh and visible. Bonus: they're stackable for easy storage. This versatile organizer set is perfect for cabinets, refrigerators, and pantry shelves. Whether you need a snack bin, fridge organizer, or cupboard shelf solution, these bins help you neatly store food, condiments, and kitchen essentials. This over-the-sink dish drying rack is foldable, rollable, and space-saving. With 2 built-in storage baskets, it's perfect for drying dishes, utensils, and even produce. When not in use, simply roll it up and tuck it away. A must-have for small kitchens. Maximize your storage with this rotating Lazy Susan. With 6 removable bins and built-in handles, you can organize spices, condiments, and kitchen essentials with easy 360-degree access. Perfect for pantries, cabinets, and even bathroom storage. That wraps up our list of 10 must-have kitchen organizers to keep your space tidy, efficient, and stylish. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest recommendations. Most of these items are available at special deals, so check the links below before they're gone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.